Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a moment guys, I've been missing in action, but now I'm really back. So guys, in today's video we are going to make some lemon mandazi. If you are a mandazi lover, this video is definitely for you, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So guys, without other ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients which I'm going to use when making my lemon mandazis. So here I have flour. This is all-purpose flour. You can use self-raising flour, the one specific for mandazis. Then here I have 1.5 cups of warm milk. I have a 1/3 cup of sugar. This is a 1/4 cup of margarine. This is grated lemon zest. For those who don't understand what lemon zest is, this is what I'm talking about. So this is lemon. You just grate the outer part of this. Outer part is what we call lemon zest. So una grate hii ngozi ya ndimu ndo unapata hii. So this is what we call lemon zest. So have used this size 3 of them. Then lastly I have yeast. So for me, I'm not using a self-raising flour, so I'm going to use yeast, but you can also use baking powder instead of yeast. But for me, I love using yeast in my mandazis. But in case you are using a self-raising flour, no need to add any baking powder or yeast. So guys, let's move on to the next. Sorry guys, I forgot. And also you'll need cooking oil for frying the mandazi. So guys, I'll take another clean bowl, then I'm going to add my flour. So this is a two cups. These are 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'll add sugar, yeast. This is 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then I'll add lemon zest. Then I'll take my spatula, then I'll mix everything. Or you can just use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. Then I'll add my margarine. So here I'm going to use my hands to mix the margarine with the flour. Make sure your hands are very clean when you are mixing the ingredients. So guys, as you have not seen, I've not used any egg. I don't like my mandazis with egg because in my house there are people who doesn't take eggs, so I don't use eggs in my mandazis. So I just use the margarine instead of eggs because there are people who doesn't like eggs in my house, so I prefer not to use it. But you can use eggs. Eggs is completely optional. You can add eggs if you love eggs, but it's completely optional. So make sure you mix the margarine nicely with the flour. So guys, as you can see, everything is well combined here. So next I'm going to add the milk. Remember, the milk is warm, not hot but warm, lukewarm. So guys, I'm just going to add a little bit of flour because the milk is still remaining. So I'm going to add a little bit of flour, like a half cup of flour. So I'm going to transfer it here so that I can knead the dough really well. Your dough should not be hard, it should be soft. Your mandazi dough should not be hard, it should be soft. I'm going to add a little bit of margarine, just kidogo. So that is it. So I'm going to cover it with a clear foil. Then I'll set it aside for 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, I'll come back. So see you after 30 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes, let's now see how our dough is doing. So I'm going to transfer it to a surface. Sprinkle some flour. It's really very soft. The dough is very, very soft. So I'm going to take my rolling pin. Then I'll roll it, spread it using a rolling pin. Is it rolling or spreading? Yeah. So make sure it's not very thin. Your dough is not very thin. Should be a bit thick. So here I'm going to cut it into the required shape. It should be like this. should not be so thin, it should be like this. So let's preheat our oil. So guys, the mandazis are ready. The camera is not doing justice, but let me tell you, these mandazis are so yummy guys. I can tell you, you should try this recipe. Kwanza, the taste of the lemon in them, wow, makes it slaps. Yani ina slap, I tell you. Kwanza na chai moto, chai ya maziwa yenye kona tangawizi ama masala, wewe ina slap. Na kuambia ina slap. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. See you guys in the next one. Bye.